So, you probably heard me already talk about it, that I would repeat the workshop about closing 2024, taking from it the life lessons, the experiences we need to enter 2025, which already has commenced, and make it an amazing year. So, 2025 being a 9-year, a year of closure, I thought it would be suitable to organize the workshop on the 9th of January. So, in the description, you'll find what you need to know. You'll find the registration form. Once you're registered, you also go to the payment page, and then you'll get the email for the workshop itself, for the link to join in Zoom and to do the workshop together. The workshop will help you personally extract what you need from 2024, maybe even from the years before as well. Put it together and shape it for this new year, and you'll get also the insights and some answers to questions you have, what you need to know to make 2025 an amazing year for you. So click the link and let's get going. Like, subscribe, and share.